Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
What's good, fellas? Welcome to the stream. Let me actually restart this. There we go. All right, 7 o'clock. There we go, 29 minutes. All right, so we got 29 minutes until the daily close. Guys, another day, another crab, dude. Another day, another crab. What the heck is going on? Guys, hit up that like button before we get started here. We're at like 200 likes. I'm a little bit salty. I'm a little bit salty right now at the number of likes that we have on the stream. I'm a little bit salty, but anyways, let's jump on into it, guys. I mean, let's be honest, and not a lot happened, right? Not a lot happened today overall. Pretty much just went sideways, right? Pretty much just went sideways again, right? It's officially a crab market still. It's officially a crab market still. Let me get our crab here. It's pretty much Bitcoin doing the crab song right now as we go sideways. Let me see all the crabs in the chat. All the crabs in the chat, and that is pretty much what's going down here. Now, I do think we're going to see a move here by tomorrow. I think we're going to see a move here by tomorrow, whether it's to the upside or to the downside, okay? I want to start out here in the daily, and this is what I'm kind of watching here. It actually could happen today, potentially, depending on where we close. Now, Bitcoin's dropping right now. There's a couple different scenarios that I see playing out here, all right? So we talked about yesterday how we have this downtrend of resistance, right? We have this downtrend of resistance coming down here. Boop, 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 boop. Downtrend of resistance. And then we have this horizontal support coming across. And we were kind of saying that Bitcoin's probably going to see a move here within the next 2 days. That's what we were saying yesterday. Could it be happening today? It depends on where we close. We got 28 minutes until our close. But it looks like Bitcoin is coming down back below that support as we speak. So what's going to happen next? Well, here's the thing. We know we just want to hold this big green box of support, right? Yes, it's a green box. No. How come every time I do a drawing, it looks somewhat skeptical? It looks somewhat sus. Somewhat sus every time I do a drawing, man. Yes, it's a green box. This is not what you think it is. All right, all you crabs in the chat. This is not what you think it is. But yeah, we just want to hold this green box of support, right? At the end of the day. And what could still be happening here is this inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? Now, this is on the 12-hour, but it still stands. I still think that this is a possibility here, guys. And a lot of people have been talking about this. We got this left shoulder, we got this head, and we got this starting of a right shoulder. Now, in order for this to play out, we're going to need a bounce. We're going to need a bounce here somewhat soon. Now, we still could come a little bit lower. We still could come to this 55,377 level before eventually reversing back to the upside. But I do like what is going down here for Bitcoin on pretty much, I mean, on a daily, the 12-hour, all these like medium-term time frames are showing that this could be a possibility here. So let's watch this, right? It could mean that maybe we come a little bit lower. I know we don't want to hear that. I know Jimmy's going to start getting pissed off in the chat. No! Jordan! You told me we're going to the moon! You told me we were going to the moon! What the heck, man? What the heck? I'm ready for the moon! Screw this! I'm putting my other $500 stimmy in now. I'm going to pump Bitcoin to 100,000. Strap up. We're going to the freaking moon. Right? Jimmy's going to get pissed now. But, man, we're still watching this. We're still watching this. 57,175 before Bitcoin closes. Hey, I would like that.
Jordan Knights mount up. Thank you for the daily stream. Means a lot. Much love.
Thank you, Pawtucket, man. Appreciate the kind words, dude. Appreciate the kind words, brother.
57,175 BTC before close.
57,175 BTC before close. I would take that. I would take that. We're gonna need some pumpage here. We're gonna need some pumpage to see that happen. But hey, I would take it. I would take it. If that happens, real BTC benchmark, I will come back to this comment and I will play the pump song in your name. Okay, literally in your name. I will say, guys, real PC predicted this. Play the pump song and we will dance to your name. Okay, I'll even do like a special dance for you. Maybe Bob will come out and do. Maybe Bob will even come out and do a little bit of small waist, pretty face with a big bank. Small waist, pretty face with a big bank. Maybe Bob will come out and do one of those for you. All right. Won't happen, Moon Boys. Won't happen, Moon Boys. We got the trolls in the chat are back today. I see. Also, 4 hour, right? Just kind of like the daily. I mean, it's pretty much the same trend line. Just kind of watching this on the 4 hour time frame still, guys. This downtrend of resistance. Got rejected on it once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times. We're sitting, relatively close. I mean, we're about $1,000 away from this resistance line. So we're relatively close. I mean, honestly, we're still just waiting for that breakout too. And I mean, also on the 4 hour time frame, like we said, it's this inverse head and shoulders could be happening here if we round out. We got to round out. We got to round out here, right? We got to get the right nut here. We got to get the right nut form. Okay, we got the left nut. We got this. Okay, now we need the right nut to form. So let's see what happens here. For Bitcoin, honestly, for Bitcoin. I mean, the RSI is not telling us diddly squat. We got no bullish divergence, no bearish divergence. Stock RSI is bottomed out. I mean, if that wants to tell us anything, maybe that means that we're bottomed out here in this movement, and we do get a run up the last couple of times. That has meant just that. So, I don't know. Will we see a pump here? Will we see a pump? Maybe going into the next 4 hour candle. That is the question. Okay, you're gonna have all the bears in the chat saying, "You're a moon boy. You're a moon boy."
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
My grandma did it. My grandma did ask me. I actually had a lot of family members ask me how to buy Bitcoin this Thanksgiving, guys. I don't know if you did too. I don't know. Do you guys? I don't know. They might not ask you because they might not know you're into crypto. But did you guys have family ask you about crypto this Thanksgiving? I had a bunch of family ask me. A bunch of family asked me.
And CME gap 4.4, slightly smiling.
You're the troll master. Pretty much the troll master, man. I'm a pretty good troll. I don't try to be a troll. It just kind of comes naturally. Qasim said falling wedge on the 1 hour and CME gap at 54.4. Qasim, don't tell us this, man. We're only here for hopium. We are here for no bearish analysis. I'm just kidding. Qasim, do not tell me that. Do not tell me that. I'm an island moon boy. I'm an island moon boy. Demonetized because of right nut. No, because it's not doing anything. All I talk about is crypto. They're all getting BTC for Christmas. Nice, Drew. That's nice of you, man. I don't know if I'm that nice. You know why? You know why I don't think they're that nice? It's because when I was telling people to buy lower, everyone was laughing at me. Oh, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen again. So maybe I'm a little bit salty. I'm a little bit salty because people were doubting it when they should have been buying it last time. So I'm a little bit salty at some people. So, but maybe I should gift them some crypto. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. I'm a little bit salty, but you know, maybe I should. All right, Bitcoin on the hourly too. Still just kind of this upwards channel, right? We got resistance to the top side, resistance to the bottom side. RSI is telling us diddly squat, absolute diddly squat. Man, I mean, someone said that we have a wedge on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Do we have a falling wedge on the 1 hour? I don't know. I mean, it's kind of skeptical. A little bit skeptical, right? I mean, but, you know, we kind of like skeptical things here, I guess. It's a little bit skeptical. I don't know if I would call that a falling wedge. I think that's a little bit of a stretch. In my opinion, I think that's a little bit of a stretch. I think if anything, it's really nothing really going down here, man. Nothing really going down here, in my opinion. You know, it's just kind of sideways action, bro. Sideways action here. When Jordan was telling me to buy, they were literally spitting in his face. They were spitting at me. They were literally spitting at me. I had so much spit on my face that my face literally looked like this. Of all the spit that was in my face. All the spit that was in my face. It was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. All right. What else do we got? What else do we got here for Captain BTC? Man, really not much going on, bro. The weekly's still in the same spot. Weekly's still in the same spot. Nothing's really changed, as Savvy would say.
Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed.
I think the only thing we can really take from this is maybe we have a bearish dragon pattern. It looks kind of like a bearish dragon. Yeah, it's definitely a bearish dragon. Here comes Market Makers. Here he comes. Here comes Brendan. Brendan from Market Makers, guys. He's going to give you his bearish analysis real quick on the market. So let's go check it out. Come on, Brendan. Come on, Brendan. What's going on, guys? It's Brendan from Market Makers back here today. We have another bearish pattern that has formed on Bitcoin at the current moment. So we know yesterday we had the bearish, what was it? The bearish giraffe pattern on that altcoin we talked about. But now we have a bearish dragon pattern. Very, very bearish, or one of the most bearish patterns that we could possibly have for any type of asset, guys. We have the dragon, right? So what constitutes the dragon? Well, we have, you know, the first hump on the dragon. We have the second hump on the dragon. And now we have the third hump on the dragon. This is a very, very, very bearish pattern, guys. If we take our Fibonacci levels, and we actually look, these usually retrace down to the 786 Fibonacci level. So the bearish dragon, what happens is it spits the fire back down to the 786. So we might see a move all the way back down to 37,000 based off the bearish dragon pattern. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching out for this. Very, very bearish. Make sure you guys go join my trading group. As always, the best trading group in crypto, the fastest trading group in crypto. If you guys want to make money, join that group. Don't listen to these moon boys. They have no idea what they're talking about. No idea what they're talking about. We are the only group that actually knows what they're talking about. We are trading legit Forex patterns. No one else has a better trading group than me. All right, see you guys later. Have a good one. Peace. All right, so that's Brendan for today. That's Brendan from Market Makers for today. Always bearish, but we got a bearish dragon pattern here for Bitcoin on the weekly. It's not looking too good. It's not looking too good. Not the bearish dragon. Sell it all now. But yeah, I mean, nothing really going on here in the weekly, guys. To be honest, I'm not just gonna make something up. I mean, we're just sitting above our previous high, right? We're sitting above his previous high. We know what we're watching here for, as long as we hold the previous high and hold our weekly support band, which has moved up pretty nicely now. I mean, that's in that 53.4 and downwards of 52,000. So it's pretty good support right around that $53,000, $52,000 level. I think it's going to be tough for Bitcoin to break that level. So we'll see what happens. Like, obviously, if that did break, we'll talk about lower targets, but there's a lot of support in the $52,000 to $53,000 range for Bitcoin right now, guys. I don't see that happening, at least this week. We'll see. I mean, obviously, we could get some black swan event that could just go,
everybody panic, we're going to zero. I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
right, and turn everyone into SpongeBob. But, we'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But I think the star of the show today, guys, I mean, we can look at Bitcoin all we want. We're just waiting for that next move. The star of the show today, which, it's not really a star. I mean, it's retracing its move. It's bouncing off the level we thought it was going to bounce from. And it got about 11% move today. I want to play the pump song, so I'm jumping right on Cardano and playing the pump song, man. Wanna party. Yeah, Cardano's up about 11% today. Bounced off the previous highs that we talked about. 1, 2, 3, 4 highs. Also bounced off the bottom of our channel, right? Bottom of our channel we were watching out for. So that was nice. So let's see if we can get more momentum to the upside, man. I mean, holding up pretty well, though Bitcoin's kind of down and ETH is down. And there's some alts that are performing pretty well, like Cardano. So that is good to see. That is good to freaking see. Or Captain Cardano coming up on the golden pocket, our previous golden pocket zone. So this might be some big resistance here. It's why we're kind of struggling with it right now. But let's see if we get back over that. Probably coming back up to test the top of the channel. Obviously, we probably would need Bitcoin to pump in that scenario. But let's see. Cardano's not looking too shabby if you ask me. Too shabby. Hourly's a little bit overbought. So, but it's correcting nicely here on the hourly. So, see if we have any more juice. Gonna need Bitcoin to move up for it to probably happen, but not looking too shabby. All right, so it doesn't look like we're gonna get that move before the close. At least right now, we got 14 minutes until the close. It doesn't look like you were going to be right, Mr. Real PC Benchmark. It does not look like we are going to get that move to 57,175 before the close. Could still happen. I mean, it's not too far away, but doesn't look like it's going to happen, man. Melissa, I thought we were all going to be millionaires by now. Yeah. I mean, I think we all thought we were going to be a little bit higher than we are now, but that's crypto, man. That's crypto. I mean, in my personal opinion, I mean, I think we should be higher. I think we personally should be higher than we are right now. But there's a lot of outside factors that we don't know about, man. I think that we should be higher right now, and I think we will be higher very soon. I think we will be higher very, very soon. When Lambo, man. Rand said to buy Cardano. I'm sure he did. It's probably not why I pumped, but I probably got a little bit of momentum because of that. DJ said time. Yep. Patience, man. What wins in this market? Always. Patience wins in this market, guys. Patience wins in this market. It's days like this. I'll say it again, man.
Rant alert.
It's days like this where they try to bore you out. They make you bored, right? They make you lose interest in crypto. They make you forget, right? They make you forget. It's the boring days that are max pain, in my opinion, right? Because what it does is, even during dumps, you're more focused on the charts during dumps than even pumps sometimes. At least I am. And what's crazy about that is it's the boring days like this that suck, and they suck people out, right? They suck people out on these boring, long, drawn out sideways actions. And it's like, come on, man, do something. And you forget about the charts, and then that's when everything starts to go up, is when everyone loses interest, right? When everyone loses interest, that's when it starts going back up. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, but I think patience is very important in crypto, man. I always said, time in the market beats timing the market. Time in the market beats timing the market, okay? I've always said that, and I will continue to stand by that. Yeah, you can be some pro and, oh, I'm going to buy the top, sell the bottom, buy the top, sell the... Well, actually, it would be the opposite. I'm going to buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top. Yeah, I mean, if you're some pro guy out there, sure. I'm sure there's a few of you out there. But for the general public, time in the market beats timing the market every single time, in my opinion. The longer you're in crypto, the more money you will make. I mean, that's just, it's a fact. It's a fact. At least so far in history, right? We don't know what the future holds, but at least so far in history, that is the case. But that's my little rant.
Rant alert, rant alert.
Hello, Jordan. Could you please look at Adam?
Oh, I'm a little blurry. Chris said, time in the market beats paying a ton of capital gains. That too, man. That freaking too, bro. That freaking too. Well, what's good, at least what's good now, guys, is if this cycle does go into next year, at least what it does is it's going to push our taxes out until 2023, right? Which is going to be, I mean, you know, if you can use that money correctly during next year is going to be having to pay taxes a year later is huge if you're going to use that money correctly, right? I mean, that's, it's big for me. That's big for me. And if this, I've always thought the cycle is going into next year, and that is big. If it ended in December, I'd be like, dude, what the heck? Now I got to pay taxes in a couple months, bro.
Playing that long game.
If I
Thanks
sold.
for all you do, Jordan. Best crypto channel. Best crypto fan.
What's up, Crypto Shock? Playing that long game, man. Yeah, it's all about the long game, bro. It's all about the long game. I used to play the game where I was like, oh, it's dumping. I'm going to try to sell now and buy back in when it bottoms. That never worked for me. Just like when it was pumping, I would be like, all right, cool. I'm going to buy more in now, and I'm gonna sell when it goes higher. It never works, man. Maybe it does sometimes, but in general, if you do that consistently, you're most likely going to lose, because the market makers know how to get retail money. They know how to suck in that retail money like a vacuum. Right? You know, trust me.
Invited to the conference meeting on December 8th.
Trust me, it's like Java in his room vacuuming. This is vacuuming his Chinese food. That's how the whales are sucking in all the retail money. Oh crap! I can't suck up that boneless spare rib bone. I can't suck up that. I can't. No! My vacuum! It's broke! How am I supposed to suck up this rice? All my rice on the floor! It's broken! It's broken! No! No!
Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart.
I mean, that's what the market makers are doing, man. They're sucking up all the rice like a vacuum. All the rice like a vacuum, bro. Anyone, Java can't suck? Java can't suck. 56, 521 on Bitcoin at the moment, man. ETH. Let's see what ETH is doing. I mean, ETH is just being ETH. Let's actually zoom out a little bit. So ETH, I mean, I mean, could ETH be making another possible W? Could be, right? It definitely could be. We've come back down about 45.13 as we speak. Let's actually go to the daily still we're kind of looking at. I don't know. I want to see it close, preferably. It's probably not going to happen in 8 minutes. Probably doesn't look like it's going to happen, but I would want to see it close above 4,526, which was above this daily high right here. If we don't close above that, I don't think it's the end of the world or anything, but I would like to see it close above that, if at all possible. If we don't close above that, well, it's probably likely that we're going to probably come back down and test this high at approximately about 44.39, which we actually already did, right? It looks like we already wicked down to it today and held it as support. But, you know, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens on ETH. I mean, definitely interesting structure there going down after breaking these previous highs and not flipping those as support, unless we can get some last minute pump back above that level within the next 7 minutes. Not even 7 minutes, 6 minutes here. Next 6 minutes. The 4 hour isn't really 4 hour telling us much here. Let's go to the hourly. The hourly, not really telling us too much either, right? Downtrend of resistance, and really a downtrend of support too. So that's not really telling us too much at the current moment as well. We got to see what happens. I mean, it looks likely at this point you're probably going to come back down and test the bottom here, right? Downwards of 44.72, at least in the short term, possibly. Yeah, you keep getting resistance on that hourly EMA ribbon and the 4 hour EMA ribbon. Let's see where that is. Yeah, you're in that right now. So you're hoping that this is just a back test of the 4 hour EMA ribbon, and then you can get that reversal back to the upside. I don't think it has the same structure as Bitcoin. Yeah, not the same structure as Bitcoin, where it has some type of like inverse head and shoulders or anything. It's really not much like that for ETH right now. So let's see what happens, man. See what happens on Cap and ETH. But so far, I mean, you came back down and tested that high, like I said. Hopefully that continues to hold here. Hopefully. But let's see. Bitcoin 56,464. So we chilling. We chilling like a villain on Bitcoin right now, guys. We chilling like a villain. ETH keeps hitting resistance from Jordan's divorce lawyers. Oh man, it looks like I made a good. Looks like I made a good choice on divorcing my ETH, guys. You guys are probably like, Jordan sold all his ETH. Holy crap, that's a bottom signal. Yes, guys, I sold all my Ethereum. And it's in stables right now. So all my Ethereum is in stables right now because we got divorced. So just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still rocking the hat, but I no longer am an Ethereum holder. Okay, just want to let you know. The market looks really scary right now. I think we're going probably down to 2,000 per Ethereum right now. So just letting me know that's what I'm kind of seeing on Ethereum right now. I think we're going back down to 2K. So I moved it all into stablecoins, right? All into stablecoins. This guy's a friggin' idiot. He sold all his ETH. Holy crap, man. He sold all his ETH. This guy's an idiot. I'm just kidding, guys. I didn't sell any ETH. I sold none of my ETH, man. I sold none of my ETH. I'm just kidding. I trolled you guys. I trolled you. I felt like trolling a little bit. I don't know. It's a troll kind of day. I mean, there's nothing really going on. I felt like trolling a little bit. Not funny? Swap my ETH for Shiba. I just sold. Remember that with Matic. Why are you playing, bro? I am playing. I didn't actually sell my ETH, man. I sold. Oh, God. None of you guys actually sold, man. You guys know I'm kidding. You guys are all saying, I'm playing. Imagine if I wasn't kidding, guys. I think I asked this the other day, but what if I wasn't kidding, guys? What if I was actually being dead serious? You know, what would you guys think? Would you guys think bottom signal? Would you guys think top signal? Would you guys sell? What would you guys think if I sold all my ETH? It would take a lot for me to sell my ETH, man. It would take a lot. Crypto Lifer said, "Are we twins?" Crypto Lifer, we might be twins, man. We might be twins. I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever seen you, but we might be twins, bro. You know, I try my best to rock my own style. But maybe there's someone out there with the same style as me, man. With the ETH hat, bro. Maybe. Crypto Shock said, playing that long game. Thank you again, Crypto Shock. ETH drops 3%. Sell it. Unsub. Unsub. Why would you guys unsub? What if one day I just turned into Savvy and I was like, guys, I think we're going to 0.
Nothing has changed.
Too edgy. Yes. Going to 0.
ETH's just going to 0. I would be so curious of what you guys would do if I actually like told you guys I was selling all my crypto. Everyone said unsub. I would just say, just like Crow Jordan. Yep, pretty much. All right, Eric said, any thoughts on Danel of SDF, the only blockchain invited to the conference meeting with the Treasury on December 8th? What is it? On Danel? What is Danel? I can't say that I am familiar with this. Yeah, I don't know what it is, man. CEO. Let's see. CEO. Nope, that's not it. Only blockchain. Oh, CEO. SDF. Bro, I have no idea what that is. I have 0 idea what that is. I give up. I give up. I have no idea. The CEO. Just do the opposite of Jordan's TA. All right, do it, man. Do the opposite of my TA. Do it. Do it. If you've done that so far, you would have freaking sold every single bottom, bro. So go ahead. If you want to do the opposite, bro. I'm not actually salty. I'm just kidding. But if you want to do the opposite, hey, sell right here, man. Sell right here, bro. Sell right here, man. Do it. I dare you to do it, bro. Sell all your. If you're so confident on counter trading me, sell right here, dude. Sell it. Do it. Do it, bro. You want to mess with my TA, bro? Sell your coins. You got a big game then. Sell. Sell all of it right now. Sell it, bro. Man. I'm getting salty. All right, daily close. Let's get rid of those. And then let's zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit.
Love the entertainment, brother. Have idea where CWAR bottom is?
Go easy, bro. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But yeah, Bitcoin closed right at about 56.5.
Please check block in CWARS. Thanks.
Bitcoin closed right about 56.5. Let's see what happens next, man. We closed above this support that I wanted to hold. Let's see if we come back down a little bit lower. I can't assume we have too much room, guys. I do think we see a move here within the next, I don't know, man. Within the next 3 days, I just can't see Bitcoin without having a big move here. It's coming up on basically what we're coming up on here from in a nutshell, right? In a nutshell. It's not really a nutshell. It's more of an acorn shell. We have this uptrend of support and this downtrend of resistance. And what's going on here is 1, 2, 3 more days. And then we're going to come up to that apex. Yes, I call it an apex. I understand that an apex is technically the top of a triangle. I understand, okay? Don't hate. It's the top of the triangle. I call it the side, the bottom, this side, whatever you want to call it. I call everything the apex. But within the next 3 days, we got to see a move. We got to see a move here. Either to the upside or downside.
XLM, my guy.
The climax. Pump coming Sunday afternoon. That's facts. That's facts. Apex is a sweet. Elon Musk can't grow a proper beard. I can't either, man. Just kidding. So the beard's coming in, bro. You guys go. If you guys go check my facial hair from a year ago, you'll be like, "What the heck is this?" I look like Carl the Moon. I look like Carl the Moon. That was the funniest thing I've ever heard, man. Like that to this day, that's one of the funniest things I've ever heard in the chat. Is when I took my beard off and everyone said I look like Carl the Moon. I look like I'm 12. I look like a 12-year-old Carl the Moon. Look at me, man. I don't know. Maybe it's just because the skin's so bright. It's like blinding. It's like a bald head, isn't it? It's like a freaking bald head. That's crazy. It kind of freaks me out. I look like a freaking avatar. I look like I can't quite describe what I look at, but it's quite creepy. Quite creepy. Like a virgin. DJ said you look like a virgin. Oh, jeez. All right. We're going to take that off. Did we get a bearish cross on the MA? The bearish cross? This is the 50 and the 20. So, I mean, technically, but we kind of did the same thing right here, right? And that actually we had the bearish cross, and then 2 days later we hit the bottom and we pumped. So, I don't think that's a big deal. I really don't think that's a big deal. We did the same thing back down here in September. And then 2 days later, I mean, a couple days later, then it flipped back to bullish. So I don't think that is a big deal, if you ask me, just based off what happened last time. These wedges are just so similar, man. So similar. And so many different ways. So many different ways. Come on, Bitcoin. Are we really just going to chill? I'm really just going to chill. The stock market actually bounced back pretty decently today. I mean, the S&P back up like 1.5%, which is not bad for the S&P. Bitcoin really didn't do much, though, considering, which is interesting. Definitely interesting. What else we got? We had Eric, who said, any thoughts? Oh, no, we did this. Watts said, so edge. ETH, she's going to 0.
Everybody panic. We're going to 0.
Everyone turn it to SpongeBob. Oh, I kind of want to see Vitalik. Hold up. Oh, yeah. Get in there, man. Deep. Deeper than you ever got in there. Oh, yeah. Pick it. Go back in. Go back in, bro. Go back in. Yup. Flick it. Put it on the wall. Pick it back up and put it on the wall again. There. Yup. Great form, man. Great form. You can't beat Vitalik's form. All right. Anyways. Looks like Cardano's trying to move up again. Cardano's trying to move up. Matic might be moving up. Not too shabby. Come on, Cardano. Let's go, baby. Could you please check out Block and CWARS? I got you on Block. Blocktopia. What's Block up to? Is Block moving at all? It's trying to. It's trying to. So Block just looks like it's making another flag, man. Another freaking flag. So many flags on Block, right? So many flags on Block. You got downtrend to resistance, downtrend to support. You bounce off the support again. You're probably just going to make your way back up to test the highs here at like 13.5. I mean, that's what that looks like to me. No bullish divergence there. And a daily's got slight bullish divergence, actually. You got higher lows on the price action. You got lower lows on the RSI, which is bullish divergence, right? You can see it right here, right? Boom. And boom, right? So you got it right there. Right off the previous high. Double bottom. That looks good. That looks really good. To come up and at least retest this downtrend of resistance. You break that, go up to test the highs. Block's looking pretty good for a reversal. And CWARS. Check out CWARS. What's up, Danish? Danish became a member, man. I don't know if it's Danish or Danish. I'm gonna go with Danish, unless your name is actually the same thing as a dessert, which is pretty awesome if it is. I'll have to say so myself. If your name's Danish, and you're probably a pretty sweet person. You get it? Probably a pretty sweet person. I don't know. You guys like that joke? If that was a good joke, let me know in the chat. If that was a bad joke, let me know in the chat. I thought it was pretty good personally, but you know, everyone has their own opinions on jokes, right? I got some bad jokes, man. Some of my jokes are so bad. So bad on these jokes, man. So bad. All right. CWAR. We don't have too much data on this. I'm going to stick to the 4 hour here. The 4 hour actually doesn't look too shabby. You're trying to build some support here. You're definitely trying to build some support. No? Bad joke? Pump song for the Duncan girl? Guys, you don't even know who the Duncan girl is. The Duncan girl could be code name for something else. You never know. You never know. I like to stay mysterious, man. All right, so the top to the bottom, bottom to top, man. What am I saying? The bottom to top, you're bouncing off your 0.5 fib. What I like about this though is you're making higher lows, while at the same time the 4 hour RSI is making lower lows, right? So lower lows and higher lows is looking pretty good. And guys, if I was talking to the Duncan girl, you would see some glaze. You would see some glaze, maybe some chocolate frosting all over my beard. Do you see any chocolate frosting or any glaze on there? Do you see it? No? Okay. Then, you know, there's no Duncan girl, right? I don't see any chocolate glaze. You know, I don't see any of my hair. Oh, look at that hat hair. I don't see any of my hair. And, yeah, I don't see any. Hit the like. Yeah, guys, hit the likes button. Hit the likes button. Why am I saying hit the likes button? Hit the like button. I can't even talk, bro. I can't even talk. Yeah, but higher lows, lower lows. Let's see what happens next. I mean, if this was a nice reversal, just gotta hope that you got the juice now. You got the juice to get that reversal back to the upside because it's there. It's a nice setup. Right? You gotta get the juice. Gotta get that juice. Bitcoin's definitely not getting the juice right now. I'll tell you this right now. Bitcoin does not have the juice. Does not have the juice right now. If you guys don't know what the juice is, if you guys are new to the stream, you don't know what the juice is. It's simply when we take a pickle, right? We squeeze out the juice and we try to get the fuel, right? Juice basically means the fuel. And Bitcoin doesn't have the fuel right now, aka the pickle juice. We just use pickle juice as the fuel. If that makes any sense. Probably makes no sense to you if you're new. Trust me, you'll learn these things as we go. There's a lot of things about this stream that make no sense when you aren't here often. But stick around, you will learn what most of this stuff means. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button too. If I could talk, man. Oh, by the way, guys, I will be on George's channel tomorrow. I will be on George's channel tomorrow night, okay? They sent me all the outlines of what they want me to talk about in the video. I get to do my own TA on the coins. It's going to be a good time, man. You guys will see me over on Cryptos R Us tomorrow night, you know? I forget which time. I think it's, 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, 9:30 Central Time. You'll see me over there, man. I'm pretty excited for it, man. It's a good opportunity. Should be on there on Fridays going forward. But yeah, I'm excited for it, man. I've been telling you guys I'm gonna be over there for 3 weeks and finally gonna be on there now. I am new, said Keith. Keith, you're not new. You're not new. You're not new, man. I know you're not new. All right, so we did both of those. Was said, love the entertainment, brother. Think you have any idea where CWAR bottom is? We just looked at it, man. I think this looks like a good opportunity. I want to see, all you have to do is really hold the 0.5 fib here. So $3.02. You continue to hold that. I like this as a bottom, man. You know, if you do drop lower, I mean, maybe the 618, but I don't even know if you have enough downwards juice to get you down there, bro. You know what? No idea. Battle of the Baldings. That's a fact. That's an absolute fact. Hopefully it's not as awkward as last time. Dude, the reason why it was awkward last time is because it was, dude, that was so last second, man. The reason why I was awkward last time is because like he literally hopped in my stream like a half hour before his, and we just friggin' went at it, bro. I joined his stream, and then boom, we just went at it. That's why I was awkward. There was no structure, you know. But yeah, man. This one will be a video of literally just me over on his channel. So won't be awkward. Crypto Tabber said, think you could check out Fun Token. I could check out Fun Token. Why not, man?
I heard Karen is a fan of the glazed chocolate.
Go on Georgia's stream. Go on Georgia's stream. Yeah, man. I went out with as Bob.
I love crypto. Do you? Can you tell me what ASM is doing? Coin been having a hard time maintaining a price.
I could never do that. I could never do that, man. Imagine if my dream guys to go on. My dream guys is to go on around the blockchain, and then them think it's me, and then just show up as Bob, and just everyone in the chat being like, "Who the heck is this guy?" That's my dream, man. I want to do that so bad. That would be so funny. But then I would probably get canceled, and then, you know, all that fun stuff. But yeah, I mean, fun fair, whatever this is. Upward sloping support, downward sloping resistance, right? So you would think that you should see a move relatively soon here. You are dumping a little bit here. You are dumping. So maybe come back down to test the bottom. Right around down here at like 1.7. Yeah, it's like 1.7 cents. Nothing too crazy. You know, if you get a bounce there, you probably have some. Nah, no, you wouldn't. No, you would not. 4 hours getting pretty close to a bottom, which makes sense. Like, you're coming back down to test that support too. So the 4-hour RSI is going to get a little bit oversold if you do go a little bit lower. Perfect. That's what you want. Hopefully that can be enough juice to, you know, reverse you back to the upside here after you retest the bottom there. So that's fun fair in a nutshell, man. XLM for Eric. I got you an XLM, man. XLM, our famous stablecoin.
That's an XLM stablecoin.
Let's see. Going around the blockchain was Jimmy. Bobby with the all-star struck off his chair.
That LYK kiosk.
Everyone around the blockchain is Bob, bro. I can just picture that, man. Finally! I'm on around the blockchain! BitBoy! What's up, man? Finally! Can we talk about Shiba? They would probably instantly kick me off. BitBoy, you know, BitBoy would go on there and go like, this would be BitBoy. TJ, can you get him out of here real quick? TJ, get rid of him quick. This is a bad look. TJ, kick this guy. Kick this guy. We'll just do us three. We'll just do me, Wendy O, and Mac and Cheesy. Me, Wendy O, and Mac and Cheesy. Okay? Yeah. Just kick him. Just kick him. You know that's what would go down. All right. Let's see. You better do it. All right. XLM. So upward trending support. You have 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests, 4. All right. But yeah, I mean, you have upward trending support, horizontal resistance, right? So it's a classic ascending triangle pattern on XLM, and you know that is bullish, right? We know we joke about XLM stablecoin, blah blah blah. It is a stablecoin, right?
That's an XLM stablecoin.
But you would hope that this ends up being a bullish structure overall. If it does, I mean, your target would probably put you close to its highs here, I'm gonna guess. Would put you upwards of like 67 cents, right? Would probably put you about 67 cents back up to that target. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. It would be legendary. Oh man, I don't know if they'll let me on because I feel like they would catch on pretty quick. They would probably know before they even got on.
GM Wagner.
Especially if N Bob got mad. All right. Adam's breaking out. All right, I got you. I got Adam. Adam is breaking out, apparently, guys. I'm going to trust you. I'm going to trust you on this.
I bet you'd get more subs than you lose if you brought Bob to the Bit Boy party.
More subs than you lose if you rip Bob. Oh, 100%. 100%, man. Yeah, it looks like Adam's getting a pump right now. Adam is getting a pump on the new day. Up about 8% already on the new day. Holy crap. But yeah, Adam's moving up. We know we have this wedgie for Adam, right? Adam is in a wedgie, all right? Downtrend of support, downtrend of resistance. Looking juicy, man. This is looking juicy, juicy, juicy. You know, the target is back up to the highs, back up at 43.23. That's the target there. But you obviously got to break the downtrend of resistance first, but Adam is looking juicy, looking like it wants to move. You just got to break this downtrend of resistance like we said. You break this, you're off. You're off to the races. You're off to the freaking races. And if you look, I mean, this was a perfect level to back test too. Previous highs from September, just a back test. Just a freaking back test, man. Here you go. Imagine Bob and BitBoy fight over sheep. I would piss off BitBoy so bad, bro. But yeah, 28.53. It looking good for Adam. We're also seeing some movement on Matic again. Matic. Look at Matic. Look at Matic, man. 221. We're looking juicy on Matic. We're going up to 222. It's not even a big jump. We're going from 221 to 222. You're like, wow, Jordan, that's great, man. We don't care about that. But I mean, if you break 222, you're going to 243 or 244 actually, closer to 244. So Matic is looking juicy, as we would like to say. About to break that high. Let's see if it has enough juice to break this peak back here from October 29th. If you do, oh man. Oh man. We're looking good. We're looking real good. But who's that guy? Who's that guy the other day who said Matic sucks? Why would you ever buy Matic? Someone said something bad about Matic. You guys remember that the other day? What did that guy say? He was like, Matic sucks. Why would you buy? What did he say? I don't know. He was trolling, I think. I don't know if you actually can think Matic sucks, you know? Dollar average for Matic. My dollar average for Matic? My dollar average for Matic. I bought most of my Matic down here during this dip. Around like $1 or so. And then I think I bought some more. I think I bought some more down here too. Not as much. I would probably say my cost average is like 120. 110, 120 for Matic. If I had to guess. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but that's probably right around where it is. Come on, Matic. All right, stalling out for a little bit. Moving on. Can you please check AVAX, crypto and tech guy? Do you think it'll go any lower? I got you, Crypto and Tech Guy. They could begin a member for 4 months, man. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. I wonder who's the longest tenured member. I got to figure that out. I'll figure that out tonight, actually. I'll figure that out tonight. Who's the first one to ever sign up, man? I mean, that was a while ago. I can't believe it's been 4 months since we did that. That's crazy. Hey, time flies by, dude. It's actually crazy. It's actually crazy how fast this year went by. I feel like 2020 went by so slow, and this year went by so fast. So fast. Not really sure why. Maybe because it was a good year, man. This year was a really good year. Really good year. I mean, this year had a lot of ups and downs. For crypto, I mean, it was, in theory, for crypto, it was a very good year, in theory. In life, it was a pretty good year. Obviously, ups and downs like everyone else, but...
Can you review Alice Short midterm?
What is the EMA? DJ said longest what? I have one. DJ... Listen, I gotta keep it somewhat PG on here, so I can't comment. As much as I would probably, I don't even want to comment on it, actually. AVAX, how do you think it will go any lower? Let's actually go to the daily on this. Let's get rid of this. I don't know why I just made that noise. Why did I just make a noise like a goat? You guys hear that? What the heck was that? I was like, bah. You guys hear that? What the? Oh, man, bro. Something's wrong with me. I swear something's wrong with me, guys. I just made some, like, random goat noise. But, alright, anyways. Swing low to swing high. Let's actually check what's going on here. Hopefully no one's watching the stream that, you know, I don't want to be watching this stream as I'm making goat noises. Check crypto, fear and greed. Need some sweet deals. T-shirts. We'll check it out. Answer go bomb meme. So yeah, I mean, we came back down. Looks like the 786. I don't know. I don't know if we go any lower here. I don't know if we go any lower here. Actually, you know, because actually go to the hourly on this. That was your mom. But you guys ever make just like a weird noise and be like, why did I just make that noise? You know, it actually happens to me a lot. Like, why did I just make that noise? It's kind of concerning. Man, does this go any lower? Good question, man. What I'll say is you didn't quite come back down to the 786. You're retracing because the hourly's oversold. So that's the thing. Like, the hourly's oversold. So you got exaggerated bullish div. Hourly's oversold.
From Goblin Town.
See a coin. I got you, Jerry. Swing high to swing low. I mean, yeah. I mean, you got exaggerated bullish div on the hourly. You didn't quite down to the 786, but it's trying to reverse right here. It's trying to reverse right here, which is interesting. So, can it go any lower? Sure. It could maybe come back down to like 106, which is the 786 fib. I don't see it going much lower than that unless Bitcoin dumps. If Bitcoin dumps, I would assume you probably come back down and test $100, which is the previous low, right? That's if Bitcoin dumps. If Bitcoin dumps, which we have no idea. I mean, Bitcoin is in a range on every time frame, bro. I mean, the hourly, 4 hours is kind of in a range. The daily is just, I mean, besides this one move here, I mean, we're pretty much in a range too. So, I mean, it's Bitcoin's doing its thing, man. 222, Matic broke. Oh, Matic did break. Matic did break, guys. Holy moly, look at Matic. Look at Matic on the daily. Hey, this is the 1 hour, actually. Look at Matic go. I want to buy that. I don't want to buy that, baby. I want to buy Matic. I want to buy Matic. All right. Now we're getting rejection. Now we're getting a rejection, man. Every time. Every time, bro. Every time I play the bot music, we get a rejection. So there you go, next rejection. Let's see if we bounce back there. Can you check the target for Beatco? What the heck is Beatco, man? I want to buy Matic, not Vet. Screw Vet. I don't want to hold Vet. I actually do hold Vet, so I can't really say that. That goes against my own interest. You guys want to hold Vet or no? You guys want to hold Vet or no in the chat? Let me know. And this is just a... Could be forming one big bull flag on the hourly, man. I mean, it's a downwards channel, but this could be forming one big bull flag. I'm not gonna take the target here. It's too new of an asset to really stay much, but it's gonna come down until it finds its floor. The problem with this one is it just doesn't have enough price action. I mean, it's too early to say. It's in the hourly chart too, so this could come down as low as it wants to. This could come down as low as it wants to. Who the frick knows, right? Who the frick knows? I don't think anyone does. I don't think anyone has any clue what's going to go down with this thing. It's respecting the fibs pretty well for support, though. I mean, came down to the 618, bounced back. Came down to the 786. You're getting slight support there. Problem is, after that, you got nothing. You got absolutely nothing. So, take that for what you will. Take that for what you will. I hold a vet back. Peter said I hold a lot of vet. Nice. Nice. Darren holds vet. VeChain is a meme coin. Okay. Apparently VeChain's a meme coin. Apparently we got Bob in the chat again. Apparently we got Bob in the chat. VeChain's a meme coin. You guys should buy Shiba. Why would you buy VeChain? It does absolutely nothing. Like, buy Shiba. Did you see what it did a couple months ago? Like, all these other coins are the true meme coins. Shiba actually is the go, right? Shiba is the go. Ba. Ba. I can't keep going with that. But yeah, I mean, that's literally what I did too. I said ba. Ba. All right, here comes Matic again. Here comes Matic. Here comes Matic. Come on, Matic. Get a little bit more upside action, man. Come on, get some FOMO. FOMO on Matic, boys. Just kidding. Don't FOMO on Matic. I'm more so just kidding. I'm more so just kidding. FOMO Matic. Everyone buy Matic right now. Just kidding. Don't do it. I think that's illegal. I think that's actually illegal. 222. All right. Can you check Cody? Let's check Cody before we watch Matic try to move back to the upside here. Excuse me. Cody is watch Bitcoin go up soon. Hey, I'm watching it. I'm watching it. It's at 56,672. It's trying to move up slowly but surely. I would love Bitcoin to pump right now. I would love Bitcoin to pump right now. Let's check Cody. I mean, we know Cody broke its wedge, right? It had a beautiful wedge. Now, like we always say with the wedge, usually turns into a flag at some point, right? It usually gets resistance on like the horizontals. So keep that in mind. But yeah, I mean, you got to watch this resistance now. But what I like about this is if this is a wedge, which it is a wedge, right? It is a wedge. Usually what that is you test that resistance like on the channel, and then you come back down, back test the wedge, okay, or back test the previous highs, either one, and then you get that movement to the upside, right? And then you get to that movement to the upside. So what you got to hope for is this is just a back test of previous resistance, and then a move back up. Our target's still upwards of 69 cents. Of course it's 69, right? Why wouldn't it be 69? Beautiful, beautiful number, in my personal opinion. But we won't go there. We won't go there. We're gonna keep it PG. We're gonna keep it PG. Okay. Danish. Chain link, please. I got you, man. Swords and shields. Bitcoin. It looks like it's pumping, and then you go look at it, it's like, it's still just at its range, man.
Do you ever wonder what it would be like to, no? At it, cocktail bar cup. We're holding the cut of the profit. VR metaverse.
Cocktail bar cock. I don't even know what that is. Matic is breaking out. Yeah, Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin to break out right now, just in theory, Raz, if we went straight up right now, Bitcoin to break out, I'm looking at a $57,100 Bitcoin. That's like the resistance. 57.1, which we're not that far away from. We're like $300. You know, that we could initially break out here. So, like we said, not too far away. We gotta wait to see what happens. Like we did, unfortunately, what we did is we came back below this previous low. So this could just be a back test, confirm that as resistance, and move back lower. But if we can get back above that and then break out, I mean, that would be absolutely sweet. What's awesome is we're so close, so close to that resistance line that we could do it at any moment, right? We in theory, we could do that at any freaking moment, any moment. So we get Cody. We do some TA on AMP. I got your Darren on AMP. I don't know if there's much to look at AMP. I mean, every time I look at AMP, it's pretty much the same thing, as far as it doing absolutely nothing. Let's see. Yep. That's AMP in a nutshell, man. I mean, you can't get any more annoying than AMP. I mean, it's just a constant annoyance. It's just sideways, bro. Like, that's AMP. Downtrend of resistance, uptrend of support. It's like, bro, do we have anything else to really say, man? Not really, dude. Not really. We're waiting on that breakout. Ultimate. That's really it. Like this could go on for months, months into January, in January, February. You know. So let's see what happens. I mean, ultimately, it's a stable coin. It's a stable coin.
That's an exit. That's an exit stable coin.
It is a stable. AMP is literally a stable, man. Literally, it's a definition of a stable. All right. What else we got? I like crypto. Do you? I like crypto. That was one of the best messages, guys. What's your favorite thing you've ever seen in the chat? I have a bunch. Some of my favorites are actually trolls. Like DD was pretty funny. I like the guy who said I like crypto just randomly, like just in the middle of the stream. I like crypto. Like that's it. No context, no reason why. Just I like crypto. How random is that? Like you wouldn't think of it, but when you just like see it, you're like, bro, why did you say that? What else was pretty good? There's a lot of good memories, man. A lot of good memories that one day I'm gonna go back and look at all of them. I'm gonna make a little montage and or whatever it's called, a montage highlight thing, and put it together. That'll be fun. There's a lot of different fun memories that we had on here, man, which is good. Can you tell me what ASM is doing? This coin has been a hard time maintaining a pump. Yes, we can, man. It has a hard time maintaining a it doesn't have a hard time maintaining a pump. It has a hard time maintaining a no. I'll tell you that right now. I don't know if I have that problem. All right, ASM. Let's see. I like hamburgers. Bearish mongoose. Bearish mongoose. All right, what else we got? What else do we got? The bear nuts. You like the bear nuts, man? We kick the bear nuts. We got to kick the bear nuts soon, bro. I mean, the bears are kind of kicking our butt right now. But it's soon we need to kick the bear nuts. I think it's going to come soon. All right, ASM. Bears are kind of kicking our nuts right now in this thing too. Let's just stick to the daily. Let's keep it simple. Let's stick to the freaking daily. Has a hard time maintaining a pump. Yeah, it definitely does. It definitely does. Man, I mean, get this last hope and this uptrend of support. If that breaks, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, you probably come back down to hopefully get some type of double bottom, maybe at like 11.7 in theory. But yeah, I mean, that's what I watch out for. Daily has plenty of room to run down if it wants to. I would assume that the lower time frames still have room to run down too. So I don't know. You could have one more move back to the downside if, I mean, it hasn't really been following Bitcoin really for the most part here. Doesn't seem like, yeah, not at all. But yeah, I mean, let's find out. Excuse me. Let's find out what happens to ASM. Could see one more move to the downside.
$C #cocktail.
Bro, your face when Bitcoin pumped from 37 to 40K in a matter of minutes was crazy. Dude, that was insane. I have not seen, like, that was one of the most insane short squeezes I've ever seen in my life. Like that, you blinked. I did one twirl and Bitcoin pumped $3,000. That was absolutely nuts. I hope we see that again soon. Hope we get that. Everyone's talking about this 10K candle. I would love a 10K candle. I would love a giant green. I thought I'd say, I would love a giant green Dito up the Bitcoin chart. Okay, let's keep it real here. I heard Karen is a fan of the glazed chocolate. Really, bro? I was about to read that. I'm gonna read it anyway. Sir Dude said, I heard Karen is a fan of the glazed chocolate stick. Yep, I mean, she found that at Dunkin'. There was a giant glazed chocolate stick that was working there. I guess so, man. God. God. Denise, stop being dirty in the chat.
Your channel or I reckon it's the former. On other notes, thoughts on Gala and Alga. Thanks, mate.
10K candle for sure. Was said smash the like, bitch. Said Was. What's going on, dude? Yeah, smash the likes, guys. Smash those likes. Smash those likes. Smash those likes, guys. Let's get up to 1,000. We got to break 1,000 every day. Every day. And then on big days when Bitcoin's pumping or dumping, we got to hit 2,000. That's the name of the game. Pelagic said, GM wag me. What the heck is GM wag me, man? Do I even want to know what this is? I don't even know if I want to know. Man, isn't this the one that we looked at the other day? It's not on here. GM. I don't know. Is this the right one? I don't think that's the right one. Because when you type in wag me. Oh, why are there so many GMs? What is this? Went down fighting for your right to say GM. What the heck? All right. I guess, man. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, bro. AVAX? I don't know what that is. I don't want to know what that is. Massive with the $5 super chat. We had DJ Prashant who became a member. What's going on, DJ Prashant? Oh, good morning. Does it mean good morning? You guys are trolling me. You guys are definitely trolling me, man. Sorry, I trolled you earlier. I told you that ETH. I told you I sold all my ETH. If you're just coming in now, guys, I sold all my ETH. I no longer hold Ethereum. So just want to let you guys know. You should probably get out too. I bet you get more subs than you lose if you brought Bob to the BitBoy party. Yeah, probably. People like to troll BitBoy's chat anyway, so they probably think it would be funny. Sir Dude said, watching Bob and BitBoy fight over Shiba. No! Shiba's the best, BitBoy! Shiba's the best! Stop talking crap! Shiba has no intrinsic value, Bob. Has no intrinsic value, all right? You guys, you should be investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. I've been hyping up XRP for $389 very, very soon. I've been hyping it up. It's gonna happen. No! Shiba and Doge! XRP's not going to 389, you freaking XRP fanboy. You freaking XRP fanboy. Stop saying, oh, when the SEC lawsuit is settled. Oh, when the SEC lawsuit is settled. How many freaking videos have you made about XRP, BitBoy, that you freaking been lying this whole freaking year, bro? How many videos? It's just for clickbait, okay? It's just for clickbait, okay? I don't, you know, if you actually watch the videos, okay, I don't actually say what the thumbnail's are about. It's just for clickbait, Bob. It's just for That would be the best argument ever, man. Oh, man. Only Corgi. +1 for Bob. -1 BitBoy. Can you... Wait, we did that. We looked at ASM. Can you review Alice? Sure. Why not? I don't see a reason why not. Let's see. We're just joking. Didn't sell your ETH. Raul said ETH will flip Bitcoin. Maybe at some point. It's going to take a lot for that to happen, man. That's a lot of money that's going to flow into ETH without any money flowing into Bitcoin. That's going to. I think it'll happen at some point. You know, I don't know if it's going to happen anytime soon. No idea, actually. So Alice in Wonderland here, got a little bit of a wedge going on, a bearish wedge. Okay, it's bearish. It looks bearish.
Nothing has changed.
It's just for clickbait. BitBoy giving news PTSD. But yeah, I mean, swing high. I mean, you have 4 highs, you have 4 lows, right? Making higher lows and higher highs consistently. Okay, so what you'd be looking at here. I mean, I don't hate the structure in the wedge. It's just the wedge, typically bearish. I'd say if we take, we just looked at this a long time. I've used these small lines in a while. Holy crap. Been a while. It's been a freaking while, I guess. But yes, previous high has swing into new support, right? So old resistance flipping into new support, right? I mean, ultimately, that's what you want to see. So if you look at this in a nutshell, right? In a very, very big nutshell, very, very big nutshell. You can even say you back tested this previous high back here too, and this one. So not bad. Let's zoom in a little bit.
Cocktail bar, please, and thank you.
This looks a little, not literally, but a little, like a bear flag here. You know, to be honest, on the 4 hour.
Variable RARI, just on Coinbase. How does charts look?
How do charts look? I got you, Eternal. How do charts look? I like that, man. How do charts look? Yeah, if we're looking at a percentage move, 39% move. I would say if this broke down, you probably were looking at the bottom here. You know, maybe back down to like 1365 if that was potentially to happen. But just looking at what the charts are saying, I mean, you try to hold the 4 hour. I mean, if you can bounce out the 4 hour, I mean, we know in bullish trends, guys. I mean, these bearish type patterns can still break to the upside. How many rising wedges have we seen that have broken to the upside over the course of the last couple months on multiple different coins, right? So doesn't mean that it has to be bearish, but I mean, let's find out. Right? Let's find out. But technically, looking bearish on the short and like very, very long time frames. No doubt, sell your ETH. I didn't actually sell my ETH, man. I didn't actually sell my ETH. Dude, Bitcoin, holy crap. Does anyone have any clues? Like listen, listen. I don't know if you guys have some super indicators or anything, but holy crap, Bitcoin is snailing harder than even a snail can snail, right? Bitcoin has formed into a new type of snail, okay? It's like a snail. It's not even a crab anymore. It's a freaking snail, okay? It started as a turtle. No, it started as a crab. Then it was a turtle. Now it's a snail. It's ridiculous. Denise said, if you got a huge green Dito, we can talk. Oh, Denise. Denise is getting a little... Denise, you gotta chill. You gotta chill, Denise. See a coin. Hello from Goblin Town. What's up, Jerry? My guy, Jerry. Jerry D has been in here forever, too, man. Jerry D. See a coin. What's going down on See a coin? So See a coin. Ready to pop. It's the whales trading back and forth for small gain over and over. Pretty much, man.
MTC, please. Thanks, process.
Oh, man. All right. Anyways, See a coin. It's kind of the same thing that coin we just looked at. Yeah, not exactly the same. This one I'd argue. This one I'd argue is probably a little bit more bullish. Same resistance on the top side. He had one little wick up, but making higher lows. It looks like bullish accumulation to me. But we got ultimately just got to break that downtrend of resistance. But from here, okay, it does look like an ascending triangle. Push you back up to 4.4. Gonna need Bitcoin to cooperate, obviously.
To my target of 7.65, but looks wants to go lower WTA.
I got you, Lisa. Shout out to Lisa. I got you. But yeah, I mean, this looks like an ascending triangle. Just gotta break this. We need Daddy BTC to we need Daddy BTC. I can't believe I'm calling BTC Daddy. But we need BTC Daddy to start clapping it. All right. We need BTC to start clapping all these altcoins. We need BTC to start being a player and clapping all these altcoins. All right. Come on, BTC. Start doing it, man. See a coin. Mamba said sand. Sandbox. How's the metaverse coins doing today? Mana's not really moving. Mana's only up like 0.5%. I gotta assume that these metaverse tokens. Let's zoom in a little bit here, as we like to do. Zoom in. I mean, it broke out. It broke out of this little downtrend of resistance, but broke out. This could just be the back test. I like the structure. I like the structure. All right. Downtrend, broke the downtrend. Came back down, actually back tested this previous high, flip it as support. Or trying to flip it as support.
People get excited on the other hand. When solo goes over 40%, we get excited to 43%.
Wow. Wow, man. BTC is daddy to your wife. He's daddy, all right. He can have her, man. We're divorced. He can have her. But yeah, I mean, previous high, flipping into support. Now let's see if Sand can get that juice. Let's see. Let's see. This looks like a little, I don't know. What does this look like? If you guys can describe this in one word, what does this look like right here? What does this look like here with the two circles? And then this. It's no, I'm not trying to say that. But what does this look like? I can't picture what this looks like. Looks like a nose.
Charlie 3, this is it. It's Cardano.
It's Cardano. But yeah, Sand I like in the short term. Come on, man. This is brutal. This is brutal, man. This is brutal. Sand. You ever wonder what it would be like to own a casino? Check out Cocktail Bar Cock, where holders receive a cut of the profits. All right. Well, if you like to own a casino, I think that this is a shout out for a coin. Check out Cock, COC. There's no volume. I mean, there's no volume. There's no volume anywhere. You know, there's literally no volume on either side. There's no buy volume. There's no sell volume. This freaking sucks. This freaking sucks. I rather watch paint dry than this crap. Why are actually people watching this crap? There's no volume on either side. This show sucks. There's probably someone saying that right now. We did see a coin, Sand. Hero wants chain link. Let's do chain link. Chain link. This show sucks. Oh man. All right. Moving on, man. We're getting a little weird. We're getting a little weird. What we do. Bro, the hat. the flying nun pattern incoming on the 1 second chart. Oh jeez. The flying nun pattern. No, but higher lows and lower lows. I mean, you have the bullish structure, right? If it wants to. Let's actually take our fibbies. Yeah, I mean, a double bottom off the 618 or a double bottom off the golden pocket would be great with daily bullish divergence. I mean, come on, man. Come on. I mean, if that's not a reversal area, I don't know what is. I don't know what is, man. Now, could you come back down here one more time and test and make some W reversal type crap? You could. You could do that too. But I mean, this has got to be for Chainlink. I mean, this has got to be some type of reversal point, unless Bitcoin craps the bed, right? Unless Bitcoin does one of these. I dumped all my sand. You dumped all your sand, man? Check out Cock. Okay. I don't know if it's on here. Let's see. Cock. Cocktail bar. Yeah, there's no USD. There's no USD. Wait, what? Bro, did I just see what I think I saw? Hold on. Did I literally just see what I think I saw? Hold on, guys. If this was legit, hold up. We're going to look at it real quick, guys. Look at the bottom of the screen. Look at the bottom of the list real quick, okay? Look at the bottom of the list. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, man. Did I really just see that? I thought I saw that. I was like, dude, what the heck? What the heck, man? All right. I really just saw that. Jordan, you need a co-host? A co-host? I do need a co-host. I do need a co-host, man. At some point, I want to get I mean, hopefully sometime soon, I want to get a little studio going. I want to get a little studio going. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Pickle on that one for sure. That's great. That's great. I can't believe that was there. When goes to 100K first, your channel or Bitcoin? I reckon it's the former. On another note, thoughts on Gala and Algo?
Jordan, can you look at
That's a good one, man. I'm gonna have to say, based off the current trajectory. I mean, it depends. It depends. I mean, I am going on George's channel. I think that's gonna have a big effect there. In theory, right? I mean, his videos get I'd probably say at least 70,000 views. I mean, that's got to bring some traffic over here, but that's a good one. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think my channel will hit 100K first? Or do you guys think that Bitcoin will hit 100K first? Let me know in the chat. That's a tough one, man. It's tough. It's tough. I mean, that's a tough one. I'd probably say my channel. I probably have to say my channel just because 100K Bitcoin could happen at some point next year. I think some point next year, maybe like January, February time. But we'll find out, man. We'll find out. Demonetized today? Probably, man. Probably. Eternal said Rareable Rary just listed on Coinbase. How do the charts look? Rary. 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 Wait. R-A-R-I. You both pump 80%? I mean, I take 80% pump. I take an 80% pump. Everyone shorting George. Someone said Bitcoin will top out at 98K in March. Very, very interesting level, man. 98K. But yeah, Rareable, higher lows, lower highs. I mean, it's coming up on a move on the daily. It's coming up on a move on the daily. It's got to be, right? Within the next 2 weeks. I got to say, this has got to break out within the next 2 weeks, man.
Can you check out STM and Room? When Moon?
The 4 hour looks like it broke out. It just recently broke out. A little downtrend of resistance breakout. Honestly, it was like a little bit of a wedge. I mean, this has enough juice to get you to the target of the wedge. I mean, that would be the breakout right there at 27 cents. So let's see on Rareable, man. Let's see if it's got the juice to get you higher. It's got the formation down. Let's see if it hits that target. If it hits that target, you break out of the overall structure, which is a pretty big structure. I'm going to see the technical target here. It did break out 53. Obviously, you gotta break that downtrend of resistance first, though. First of all, holy crap, man! Jordan, wake up! You gotta do the dishes! You gotta do the dishes! Wake up! Wake the heck up! I probably scared you guys. I probably just scared the crap out of you guys. So Rareable. Let me know if I scared you. If I scared you, raise your hand. Cocktail. Did MTV... You be on MTV? MTV. Imagine that nagging you. I don't know what that would be like, man. All right. So MTV, man, I don't know what's going down.
Cocktail bar at the casino in the metaverse opening soon, and all owners.
Your mom scared me.
Receive the profit. Only 50,000 coins in circulation.
I scared Jay Cricket. Nice, bro. I got you with the crickets, man. So multi-vac. We gotta hope that the whales are gonna be vacuuming this up, man. We gotta hope. You gotta hope the whales are gonna buy this dip. There it comes. Buy the dip. Good freaking dip. Good dip, if you ask me. See you, whale. Nice to know you, bro. But yeah, I mean, uptrend to support. I mean, what I'll say about this is a little bit head and shouldersy. Okay, where you have a left shoulder, you have a head, and you have a right shoulder. And you're right on the neckline. I don't know why I was saying it like that. I was saying it like very, very sexually. But left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. But yeah, I mean, if you hold this, all right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If you hold this, I mean, sometimes these can be juices to get you up higher, right? Sometimes they can be the juices. If the neckline breaks, though, the quote-unquote neckline, okay, that, I mean, that's 44% move. I don't know if you get a 44% move to the downside, but what I'd say is inverse. If that breaks down, I would probably say, I mean, you look at some support here at like 1.47, right? 1.47 cents would be the level you want to hold, right? Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. If this comes down, that's the first level. If you break that, I mean, But let's see. I mean, if this doesn't even have to break. If this holds, this could just be a W reversal pattern as well. And sometimes, like I said, those patterns can actually end up being bullish. So watch the support line carefully.
Please tell
Carefully.
me what XRP is playing at. Fighting down between the 10 ma and 100 ma on the day. Hopia.
Ratish said, are you higher or just me? I'm actually not, bro. That's probably sad than me saying I actually was. I actually never ran on stream. I said this the other day. Some of you guys might think I am. I'm not. Never. I'm just weird. He just out SNX. I've been buying 7.22. My target is 11.65, but looks like it wants to go lower. I got you, Lisa. What was it? SNX? Yeah, I mean, most alts are kind of dropping down just because there's a lot of uncertainty in Bitcoin at the moment. There's obviously some that are going up, but the majority of them are dropping, especially the lower caps seem to be kind of dropping here. But SNX in the daily. Yeah, I mean, you're right at a support. You can see this previous low right here from July 21st. I hope that wants to hold. You have... No, don't really have bullish divergence there. Let's actually zoom in on some of these shorter time frames. Let's go to the 4 hour. See what you got cooking in the cookie jar. Anything cooking in the cookie jar? Starsky. We definitely would be arrested. Guys, when I go out, I'm pretty wild. I'm pretty wild, man, to a fault. I'm actually going out tomorrow and Saturday. Tomorrow and Saturday. That's the thing with me. I'll go like 3 weeks without doing anything, and then I'll have one weekend where I just go absolutely nuts. I don't know why I'm like that, but I guess this is how I am. But yeah, I mean, you have slight bullish divergence here in the 4 hour. I like that setup, especially with the oversold there. And I like this as a possible reversal area. Let's actually zoom in on the 1 hour, see if there's also anything there.
The daily 10 ma and 200 ma on RP.
Nothing really there. Nothing really there on that time frame. So let's see if this holds. I like this as a potential bottom area for now. If that was to break, I'd look at 641 next. But yeah, I mean SNX. The problem is SNX. I mean, it just dropped so much. Any pattern? Not really. If anything, it was a wedge and it already broke to the downside. So yeah, we're patiently waiting. But I mean, the 1 hour and the 4 hour looked like they could have bottomed potentially. Bro, this is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous, guys. Like, to the point where I might flip out. I might turn into Karen right now. Because Bitcoin's acting like a Karen. Bitcoin is acting like a freaking terrible waitress or a terrible waiter. One of the two right now. Terrible. And Karen's about to come out and complain. She's about to come out in like 2 seconds. Unless Bitcoin starts pumping. Fashad said, when Bitcoin goes up like 3%, people get excited. On the other hand, when Solo goes up over 40%, we get excited. Today, Solo was up 43%. Again? Fashad, again, Solo was up 43%? Holy crap, man. Congrats, dude. Congrats, man. Solo, dude.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
C3 Charlie, this is legit. It's Cardano. We'll check it out. This guy here. What did I miss? Ryan, you missed absolutely nothing, man. You missed this. You missed this. And you missed this. You didn't really miss much, man. To be honest. Nothing has changed. Really nothing has changed. Like legit.
Nothing has changed.
Like legit nothing has changed. C3 Charlie? Is this on here? I think we looked at this in the past. I feel like I'm getting... Every time I type in a coin that I don't know, I feel like I'm getting trolled, man. Someone trolled George the other day. It was pretty funny. They said... What was the name? Mike something? They trolled George. That was hilarious. Every time you guys type something I don't know, I feel like I'm getting trolled. GUI is breaking down. Let's see. If GUI is breaking down. GUI token. This one's not on here. Let's see. GUI. Are you trolling me, man? You better not be trolling me, bro. I can't trust any of you guys. I can't trust any of you guys. Sand, please. I think we did sand. Did we do sand pretty recently? I think we did. I'll check it out real quick again. Might as well. I mean, nothing else going on in the cryptoverse. So sand, I mean, previous high, flip it into new support, right? I mean, that's basically the general gist. You broke this downtrend to the upside, back tested. Now you're hoping you get the juice to the upside, right? With all the metaverse projects, that's what you're hoping for. On Captain Sand, you also had bullish divergence here at the bottom, which was nice. All right. Anyways, you guys laughing? Java's shoe. Can you look at the IOTA fib from bear market to the current 4.36 and see where the price level at that level? Wait, what? You look at the IOTA fib from bear market to the current 436. Sure, man. IOTA? We're getting deep and dirty into IOTA here, huh? We're getting deep and dirty here. Nothing wrong with getting deep and dirty, I would say that. Deep and dirty is always fine. Let's see. So the bear market low, which we're gonna get really deep there, to the 4. I mean, you would have to take it from here. That's the only way you can really do this. I mean, the fibs have been respected pretty perfectly on this. I mean, look at this move right here to the 786. Look at this to the the 236. Look at this to the 382. I mean, it's respecting it very, very well. I don't know if that's what you wanted to know, but right very well. It's kind of hanging out at this this 0.5 fib, going up and down, up and down, up and down over it. But yeah, that's what I would say. I don't know what else you would want to know on this, but yeah, I mean, the higher low structures coming in, I don't mind that. Daily EMA ribbons being held for now. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much going sideways for the moment, you know? Pretty much going sideways. Sideways. The chat's filthy. The chat's always filthy, man. Doge to the moon? I don't know. I feel like everyone lost hype on Doge. Like, you guys think Doge will moon again? What do you guys think? You guys think Doge will moon again? I think people kind of lost it on Doge. I think SHIB, like, people are going on SHIB. If people want the Lambo, they're going in on SHIB. Maybe the move is accumulating Doge. I don't know. Is the move accumulating Doge? Or is the move accumulating Shiba if you're trying to go into a dog coin? What's the move? What's the move here? What's the move? I don't know. I think no one really talks about Doge anymore. There was a while where all everyone was talking about was Doge. Doge, 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 Doge. Now you don't hear anything about Doge. Now it's all anything else. Anything else. I haven't heard anyone talk about Doge in forever. Forever. Karam said you could check out FTM. FTM. When moon on FTM. All right. When moon, man. When moon. Someone has a funny meme. You guys seen that meme? Oh, I gotta find that, bro. It's hilarious. I gotta add that to the stream. The when moon meme. It's an Asian guy in the yearbook. It's an Asian kid in a yearbook, and his name was W-E-N. And his last name was M-O-O-N. When moon. Pretty funny. Anyways, I think the dumbest stuff is funny, bro. The other funny one is the Pinocchio one. Lie to me, Pinocchio. And then Pinocchio says, Bitcoin's going to 10K. And she's sitting on his nose. That one's pretty funny, bro. That one's hilarious, too. That one's got to be the GOAT. That's the GOAT Bitcoin meme, in my opinion. Is the Lie to me, Pinocchio. Anyways. Let's see. Costa? You only need one prawn. No, but Phantom looks like it's forming some type of wedge as well. So, just like BTC. Just like Captain BTC. It makes the best. Let's like Captain BTC. I mean, you gotta make some moves out of this wedge. Get downtrend resistance, downtrend support. And let's actually zoom out a little bit. Let's take out our little Fibonacci's. Yeah, you're bouncing off the golden pocket zone now. So I like this. I like this a lot. Okay. Now you could come back down here and test one more time. Maybe come back down here and test one more time. And then get a bounce, right? Some, your typical bottom on the wedge that we always see. All right. The little W reversal, as we always like to see on these. That certainly could happen. It looks like that's what it's trying to do as we speak. So yeah, I could see you come back down and test like 180, 181 if Bitcoin drops. We don't know what's happening with Bitcoin right now. I mean, it's very, very interesting time, as we would say. Very, very interesting time. Maybe we come back down and test like 190. Got some previous supports at that level too, but I think it's likely to come a little bit lower here and then bounce. Just based off what we're kind of seeing here. Yeah. 4 hour looks a little dumpy. Looks a little dumpy, if you ask me. Cocktail par. Please tell me what XRP is playing at. Sliding down between the 10 MA and 100 MA on the daily. Give me some hopium. You want hopium on XRP? You're at the wrong channel, buddy. You're on the wrong channel, buddy. You know what I mean? Like, I'm telling you right now. Even Mike doesn't like XRP. There's never going to be any volume on XRP. XRP sucks. There's no VI volume. The SEC case will never be settled. Never. There's no volume on XRP. XRP sucks. There's no volume! No SEC lawsuit!
Solo will tokenize
Man.
40,000 assets like Toggle, Apple, Gold, Silver. It will change the world best belief because
Alright. In all seriousness, I mean, XRP, your hope here is you get some type of double bottom at the support level here. That's the hope. I don't know if that's going to happen, but that's the ultimate hope here. In a nutshell. You know? In a freaking nutshell. So, let's find out. Let's find out. I mean, overall, you're just kind of going sideways since August. Right? Up, down, up, down. I don't know, man. I don't expect anything crazy to happen for XRP unless Bitcoin moons or we see some settlement there, which it's not at this rate. I don't know if that's ever going to happen at this rate. Jordan loves XRP. Yeah, you want an XRP Hopium? That's BitBoy's channel. Okay, BitBoy's channel. 389 XRP. Like, dude. Do you even know what market cap is? Do you even know what a market cap is? XRP is not going to 389 bucks, bro. Like, there's clickbait thumbnails, and then they're just like, bro, that's just over the top, man. That's just over the top. XRP is not going to 389 bucks. It's just like, it's mathematically not gonna happen. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. That's the point where I'm like, dude, that's just over the top, man. That's just over the top. I meant the daily. Oh no, Hopium, please. No, I got no Hopium from XRP for you. You got to see something. Oh, sorry, Booney. 589. Sorry, 589 bucks. 589. Sorry. I'm selling it short. That's even worse. That's like 2 times more than that. Man. For XRP to go up to... XRP has $50 billion market cap, guys. You even... Times $50 billion, okay? Times $50 billion times $589. I'm not even going to do that math. I'll tell you right now, it's not going to happen. 589 times 50 billion. Where's that coming from, bro? Tell me. I want to know. I'm genuinely curious, okay? I'm not trying to clap on XRP. I'm just kind of crap on market cap. I could say the same thing about Polkadot. I'll say the same thing about Doge. I'll say the same thing about Luna, Avalanche. You're not doing 589x from the current price. That's just not going to happen, man. As much as we all want to see it, that's just not going to happen for any of those high cap coins. None of them. None of them. Solo to hit $13 plus in 2 weeks, best believe. Rashad, I mean,
Jordan, just for fun, can you check out CHR? This goes from 90 cents to 1.30, waiting for $2.
Wow, that's crazy. Solo. Rashad loves Solo, man. If you guys love Rashad, check out Solo, dude. Check out Solo. I know Solo's been popping up 40% today, 40% yesterday, apparently. Rashad's usually pretty good at that stuff, I'll say that. Brian said, what's going on in EGLD this week? It's time for everyone to panic. We're going to zero. No, man. Nah, I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that. Sources. The sources. The sources. The sources. TJ said my feet are cold. Be right back. EGLD. No, we're not going to zero. We're not going to zero, guys. Don't panic.
Everybody panic. Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
As always, the daily reminder, guys. The daily. I think it's important we bring this up daily because every day you're gonna have someone panicking. Okay. Don't be SpongeBob in the grand scheme of things, guys. The key is not to be SpongeBob. do the opposite of SpongeBob. If you do the opposite of SpongeBob, you'll usually be okay. Yeah, usually be okay. EGLD, are we going to 0? We breaking this uptrend of support. I mean, it was only 2 touches, so no, I don't think you're going to 0. I don't. I really don't. Let's actually take our Fibonacci's. Yeah, the 786 matches up almost perfectly with that previous high there. Right here. Right there. Boom. So a back test of the previous high with bullish divergence forming on the daily. Can't beat that. You can't beat that. You're going to have higher lows and you're going to have lower lows here. That would be a good setup for reversal right off the 786 and the previous high. You cannot beat that little structure there. I mean, that's perfect. That's absolutely perfect, man. You get rid of SpongeBob here. That's not too bad. Let's see if it reverses back to the upside. But, yeah. I don't think we're going to 0. I think we're good. I think we're good. People are trading their XRP into Solo. Wow. I guess I don't know if that's true for Shad, but shout out to Shad again. Lisa said, Jordan, just for fun, can you check out CHR? It just goes from 90 cents to 130, waiting for $2. We absolutely can check out CHR. It's not like Bitcoin's doing anything for us, guys. Bitcoin is being a crab, a snail, and a turtle combined, whatever that animal would be. If you combine all of them and make it into one animal, what would you call it, guys? If you combined a snail, this is actually a great question for the chat. If you had to combine these 3 animals, right? A snail, a turtle, and a crab, what would the name of that animal be? It can be a combination of those 3. It can be anything. Name it right now. Go. Best name, I don't know. I don't really have anything to say. But best name, we'll get a shout out going. How about that? At least for now. At least for now. Sold my XRP. So what do you guys say? Savvy? A crab tail. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. A krasnurtle. A sloth. A crab's turtle snail. Andrew said Ada. That was a good one, man. Savvy. A crabber tail. That's pretty good. That's like a Pokemon name. Crabber tail. That's pretty good. What's up, Prony? TA on crypto total market cap. I got you, brother. Mr. Crab Turtle. All right, anyways. CHR. It just goes from 90 cents to 130, waiting for $2. 90 cents to 130. Blah, blah, blah.
Interested to hear your take on.
So CHR, I mean, it's having a hard time breaking above this previous support. Just flipping as resistance right now, consistently. Let's see if it's got anything cooking. Not really on it. The 4 hour, the daily's got any edge here. Let's see. Daily has had an edge for a while. This thing just had such a big move up. That's the issue with this one. Let's see. So you're coming up on your 0.5 fib. So I would say, I know it's a big difference, but let's see the daily EMA ribbon. You're right in your daily EMA ribbon. So I'd want to hold this 0.5 fib right about 88 cents. It's pretty close to where you're at currently. If that does break, I mean, could be coming down to the 0.618, which matches up with some previous highs and lows there at about 75 cents. So those are the 2 levels I'd watch for. The issue with this one, like we said, is this one just moved up so fast. You're going to have people taking profits a little bit more, especially when Bitcoin's being a little iffy, right? So trying to make some type of double bottom. You're not getting a huge momentum off of it right now. That can change pretty quickly, as we know. Hourly's not really giving us much. So let's find out what's going down. Looks like you're getting higher lows, lower highs on the hourly. So you'll probably see a move relatively soon here. Relatively soon. No bearish divergence there. So Not really any clues on the 1 hour, to be honest. You're kind of just waiting to see. We'll call it a stab. TA on total market cap. We haven't looked at total market cap in a hot minute. So let's see. I think it's just still the same structure we were looking at the other day, where it's literally just, literally, as we would say. Come on, you guys know the literally. The literally. Gee, total market cap still looks really juicy, man. I mean,
$100. Happy birthday. _Jordan Chris.
Thank you, man. Thank you for the happy birthday wishes, man. I appreciate the happy birthday wishes. I will forever be in your gratitude for happy birthday, bro. But yeah, I mean, total market cap after breaking this cup and handle pattern still just looks so juicy. I mean, you could argue either way, right? You have a downtrending previous resistance or a horizontal previous close resistance. We literally just came back down and back tested both, right? Boom and boom and boom and boom, right? We back tested it and flipped it as support. I mean, that's the basic market structure of total market cap, and that's why a big reason why I'm still really bullish right now, because I really like the structure there. I really like the structure of the back test on that. Now we're just waiting for the juice. Now we're just waiting for that juice. The 4 hour giving us anything here. Very similar to Bitcoin. Very similar to Bitcoin, where it's looking to form some type of inverse head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head. Now, if you can round this out, some nice head and shoulders. Let's get that right nut going, and might not be looking too bad, right? Swing high, swing low. Would put us above our highs, right around 3 trillion. So, yeah, I mean, we're just waiting to see if that rounds out here. Waiting to see if that rounds out, which I'm guessing it's probably, yeah, bounce off the 0.5 Fibonacci and bounce off the 4 hour EMA. So, yeah, I mean, could we still come a little bit lower here? Yeah, I mean, we could still come all the way back down to test, 2.46 trillion and still have that structure, right? So we could still come a little bit lower in theory and still have that in play. So that's that for the total market cap. Please check out DOT, $100. Yeah, I still think DOT's going up there, man. We got up to $55 relatively not too long ago, right? So DOT kind of lost this for me, man. You had this downtrend of resistance. You broke out. You were holding it. You looked like you were going to break out. And then DOT came right back in. And what did it do? Well, it came back in, came back up, confirmed that back as resistance. So now you're just back in your damn channel, right? Back in this annoying channel. It's like Bob. It's like Bob when he gets in the channel, right? I mean, when Bob gets stuck in a box, he likes playing in boxes down in the basement. When he does get stuck in a box, this is Bob. Mom! Help! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! I can't get out! Help me! Mom! Help me! I'm stuck in another box! I'm stuck in another box! Help! No, I stole this box from Target! I didn't steal it from the garage! I stole this from Target! Ma! Help! I'm stuck in the box! Very now I'm stuck in the box. Very similar to when Bob gets stuck in the box. Polkadot is now back stuck in the freaking box, right? So, we'll see what happens next for DOT, man. Ultimately, that's what we're waiting for. Time Sand hit 6.7 as a big fat red dildo. On Sand, market cap Sand. We'll do Sand, and looked at Sand earlier. Yeah, I mean, Sand's having a tough time coming back up. But like we said, just think it's going to be a back test, man. Previous resistance flipping into new support as long as Bitcoin does not dip. Still a great structure in theory, right? Still a great structure in theory. Wagas wants Mana. Mana's a little bit more iffy. Not really too much going on Mana here. Yeah, Mana's just kind of blah. Mana's just kind of doing its thing, bro.
Mana, please.
I mean, previous, look at how many support level, look at how many supports you got down here, right off the previous highs, right? So you just continue trying to flip the previous resistance into new support, right? Ultimately, that's what you're trying to do. So, if you just look back here, I mean, that's what you're trying to do too, right? Previous resistance, flipping into new support. You just got to hope that this ultimately holds here. I mean, the 4-hour structure is great on this. It's great on this. In a nutshell, right? Bing, bada boom, baby. Some type of wedgie formation, right? Trying to form some type of wedgie. So if this was a point of a reversal back to the upside, I mean, I think the level you're at right now would be it. I'm gonna assume you're probably, yeah, you're sitting right at the golden pocket zone too. So you can't get much better than that. I mean, this does break down. Look for a move back down to like $4, but I mean, this looks like an area of a reversal point as long as Bitcoin holds up. I'll continue to say that. I'll continue to say that, man. Waterfly says he misses Dale. I miss Dale too, man. We haven't seen Dale in a hot minute. All right, guys. Savvy calls are the Holy Bible. Facts. All right, guys. Hit up that like button. I'm probably gonna go just because Bitcoin's not really doing anything. I have a couple things I gotta get done here, but we've been live for like over 2 hours anyway, so right on cue. I'm gonna go. Appreciate you guys hanging out. We're gonna be starting this. We're gonna do the stream 6:30 every day now. 6:30 is a good time, guys. Right before the close. So I'll update this graphic. It's gonna be 6:30 my time, and then 6:30 your regular time, right? So just because of the time change we had a couple months ago, whatever it was now, 6:30 is gonna be a good time. So I'm gonna change that to 6:30. So just like what we've done the last 2 days, that'll be the time. Hope you guys did enjoy the stream though. Bitcoin doing absolutely nothing. Absolutely freaking nothing. As of right now. We're kind of just patiently waiting, man. Patiently waiting on Bitcoin as always, and we'll see what happens next. I think we see a big move within the next couple days, honestly. We got to see a big move within the next couple days. Let's find out. All right. Let's freaking find out. All right, guys. I'll catch you later. As always, go follow me on Twitter, all that fun stuff in the description down below. Use my links down below if you do trade. Don't use Carl the Moon's links. Use mine. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Don't panic sell your crypto, right? Definitely don't panic sell your crypto. That's the one thing I will say. All right? Peace out, fellas.